Welcome everyone to the Digital Aztec, and today I'd like to talk about the Compiz Manager. You know, this is a very popular tool for a lot of people, and you know, I've done it myself where people come and visit me and I'll show them what my desktop can do compared to their Windows or Macs. And you know, the thing is, it's a very simple tool to use within Linux, and I'm going to show you exactly how those effects look like. Now, the effects that I'm talking about is, for example, if I open my browser, I have it set up on random, so every time I close, I open, I minimize one of my pages, it'll do a different random change. So for example, I'm closing something, it does a little paper airplane, and this is with any type of so as you can see, I agreed, it disappeared, appeared. So you're gonna have a lot of now you can designate what type of look you want, but I wanted my effects to just happen randomly. Every time I do something, I have a random animation on my desktop. So how did I do that? Well, what you're going to have to do first is you're going to have to go to the Ubuntu Software Center and just type software on your terminal. I mean, not on your terminal, on your dash, and click Ubuntu Software Center. Now from there, all you do is click on Compiz, and automatically the Compiz Manager will appear. So and the Compiz Settings Manager is the one that you also need. So install those. Once you install them, you'll go to your dash again and type Compiz, and you will have the Compiz Config Setting Manager. Just click on it. Now you can set the cube, and I don't have a tutorial for the cube, basically because I don't like the cube. Trust me, I had it when I first started with Linux, but what I noticed is that that the workspace switcher is actually the best tool for me to utilize. So I have 4 sections. I could create 6 and just move my windows to every single section, so that works better for me. So I won't show you how to create that cube just because I haven't actually done it, because I don't like it, but I'll show you how to change those windows in that window animation. So the first thing that I have, that if you notice, it's the Wobbly Windows, and the Wobbly Windows are under the, I think it's under the, here we go, Window Management. So we go to the, oh no, that's where the snapping windows is, so it should be an animation. There we go. So Wobbly Windows, when you click on Wobbly Windows, it'll say that the snapping windows will has to be deactivated, and you just say yes and it'll deactivate it. So once you do that, you move to the next level, and this is where I have the windows doing all those funky little things, right? So where I do that, and this is where you can have that cube gear, the cube, the reflection, how to move that cube, and it's simple. It's just you gotta go in there and play with it. But to have those effects on your windows, I go to animation. So you just click, if the animation is not clicked, click X on the animation add-ons. I would click it too. Then click on the animations themselves, and here's where the key piece is. Now you can select what type of animations you'd like for it when it's opening, when it's closing, and when you're minimizing a page or window or anything within Compiz. So what I did to get a random look is on open animation, I basically went through all of the open effects and I just right click them, edit, and as you can see, you have the open effect, and I selected it, but I wanted random, so I selected random, closed it, and once I selected random, I clicked on every single effect that's available. So once I clicked on all those, all you have to do is change every open effect to random or to the effect that you want. You do that with the open animation, the close animation, the minimize, and then once you do that, you have that animation. So it's very simple to animate your windows, very simple to configure them, and you can even speed them up. And as you can see, you have complete control of what the process is. So hopefully this helps you with the Compiz Windows management, and I hope you have a great day.